Namaste and welcome to class 3. Let's begin the class. Hands on the thighs. By now you may be used to the class pattern. Please sit with a wider stance. You can also take Chinna Mudra and gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Leave every thought behind and we try to come to the present moment. Shoulders relaxed. Spine is straight but relaxed. Slowly take your hands behind the back. Exhale and bend front. Bow down. Inhale, slowly come up. With a few gentle breaths, look into the palms and open your eyes. Welcome. Let's begin and stand up to Tadasana. Stand the center and roll the shoulders back, hands on the waist. Slowly release the right leg. We go for joints motion. Only move the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inward rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Please feel free to hold the wall in case you need support and you are losing balance. But try to be on the side so that you can see your feet. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outward complete rotations of the angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inward rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Come to the center again. Catch hold of your knees. Just don't pressurize them. Just soft bend and keep your hands above the knees and you rotate. 1. We're working with the ankle rotations. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now reverse. Please take these exercises very seriously because करने में शायद आसान होगी, but over a period of time joints get stiffer if we have a sedentary lifestyle. So joint motions are something which is to be done every day, no matter of what level of practitioner you are. And last, slowly come up, open your legs wide. And let's go for hip circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep your eyes closed. Palms on the knees. Relax your entire body. Now keep both the palms on the navel. Stay with me. And as we inhale, our belly comes out. As we exhale, it comes back to neutral. Just observe that. Don't try to force it. Just observe. You're breathing in through the abdomen. It is known as abdominal breath. Keep going. Inhale through the belly rises. Exhale and comes down. Slowly bring the hands back and breathe normally, not through the belly, the way you do. Don't control the breath. Let the breath be. Grateful for the body, grateful for the practice. Slowly take the hands behind the back, bow down. Inhale, come up. Release the hands. Rub your palms. Place them on the eyes. Feel the warmth. Massage your facial muscles, your throat, your heart, and with a few gentle blinks, open your eyes, look into the past. Thank you very much for sharing the practice with me. Have a great day. Again, I repeat, be consistent. Consistency is only the key.